Hi, I'm Upasana.
I'm Raj.
We both are partners in Totaram Jewelers USA, and today we wanted to talk about how to buy Indian jewelry online. Here are a few tips. So, I would suggest to narrow down the reputable and trustworthy stores that have the collection that you're looking for. And specifically, if you want to buy Indian jewelry, look at the gold and the diamond weights. Pay attention to that. And a big thing to pay attention to is the product dimensions. A lot of times customers miss out on this. So keep in mind that you have to look at the width, the length, the depth, everything of a certain item. And if you draw it on a piece of paper, that always helps you.
Those are excellent tips, Upasana. Although you don't get to look at the jewelry in person when you buy online, we at Totaram.com provide you pictures and videos of somebody wearing it, so it gives you a much better idea. What you could also do is look at the online store's return and exchange policy to see how easy or difficult it is, and if you can do a return exchange either in USA or in India or in both places. Keep a lookout for their modes of payments, if they accept just checks, credit cards, or only wire transfers, which may cost you extra. Lastly, make sure there is a padlock symbol next to the URL so you know you're doing a secure checkout.
At Totaram Jewelers, we provide you a safe and secure shopping experience. Follow us at Totaram Jewelers, and thank you so much for watching us.